We are getting real in real estate. The market has shifted, prices are cooling, and inventory is increasing. We're starting to enter a more balanced real estate market here in San Diego. I am Woody Henderson, and this is our August 2022 San Diego housing market update. Today, we'll talk about San Diego metrics, what's happening in the current market, and what we can expect for the rest of 2022. Key metrics in San Diego, the median sale price, $810,000 at the end of July, down slightly from June, but up 8.1% over the last 12 months. All of our inventory or all of our indicators of supply, market time, new listings, and month supply are all increasing. So there are more homes available on the market, and the number of sales is down fairly dramatically by 41.6%. So what we're seeing is prices are cooling, inventory is increasing, and we're entering into a more balanced real estate market overall. Take a closer look at prices. This slide shows the median home price historically. In July of 2021, the median home price was $749,000, and compare that to July of 2022, $810,000. You can look at that as home prices have gone up by $61,000 over the past 12 months. We hit our peak of $855,000 in April and May, and prices have come down slightly since that time. Take a closer look at inventory. 5,239 units on or homes on the market. If you look at the left side of the graph, you'll see that a more balanced market has over 10,000 homes for sale. So we still have very low inventory here in San Diego, although it's picked up slightly in the last couple of months. So what's happening in the current housing market? Well, first and foremost, interest rates are in the news, and we saw a peak of nearly 6% several weeks ago, but now that has softened. The current rate is at 4.99, and that's good news for buyers and for the real estate market. There's a lot of talk about recession. I've shared this slide with you before. Significant decline in economic activity spread across the economy, lasting for more than a few months. And why is this important? Because it will have some impact on the housing market. Most economists agree that there is a recession around the corner. And this slide shows a recession is 2 consecutive quarters of negative growth, what we've seen historically. So what does that mean to the housing market? In a recession, I've showed this slide before. In 4 of the last 6 recessions, home prices actually rose. The recession in 2008 was actually caused by subprime lending and the housing market back in 2008. And this slide shows that historically, during a recession, mortgage rates fall. So if we do enter into a recession, we'll probably see decreasing mortgage rates going forward. Let's talk about what's ahead for the rest of 2022. Mortgage rate projections, the experts are forecasting that mortgage rates will go up slightly from where they are now. As I shared with you earlier, 4.99 this week. They're projected to go up into the low 5s through the end of this year and into next year. So there could be a potential silver lining for the market. Stabilizing mortgage rates and rising inventory may bring some buyers back into the market during the second half of the year. And we're actually seeing that in the market on a daily basis. In addition to buyers that left the market, you have a new class of buyers that are coming in that are going to purchase a home regardless of where the interest rates are. They weren't in the market 2 years ago when we had interest rates at 2 and 3%. So there is demand out there. And as I shared with you, we have low supply. Home price forecast, the experts are forecasting on average across the country, home price appreciation of 10.3%. And I love this thought. I don't think national housing prices will decline in a meaningful way, but there will be some price declines across the country. And I shared with you the data that I showed. We have seen some softening of prices here in San Diego, and I expect we may see a little bit of more of that, but I don't anticipate, given our low inventory, that we're going to have a precipitous drop in housing prices. So three great reasons to buy a home today. Well, there are fewer multiple offer scenarios. There are fewer homes selling above their asking price, and the supply is growing. So there's more to choose from out there as well. Couple that with a little bit of softening of the interest rates, and now maybe an ideal window of opportunity for some people to make that move. Well, thank you so much for allowing me the opportunity to share with you today. As always, I want to be your resource for everything real estate related. Feel free to call me anytime. Thank you so much. Until next month.